Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to download and install DirectX on your computer. First step, open the link. This link I will share in the comment section. Open the link, then go to download here. Click on the download and select the place where you want to download this and click on save and it will download it. Open it and double click on this and then accept the agreement. Click on next, then uncheck this and then click on next. It will install the DirectX in a while. It may take some time. Just wait for the installation to finish. So this is how you can install it.